Okay, we're going to test BibDataZu version 3.2. Let's open up the program, File, New Search. Going to scan book. Right now it's scanning. Okay, it has a lot of results here. I'm going to pick Alliant Library, select, view, file, export current record, export that and save the MAR file. Let me exit out of this and I'll show you the new version. New version is BibDataZu version 5. Search, select it and favorite. I'm going to search the ISBN number. Right now it's searching. Pick Kansas City, edit, export, save the MAR file. Okay, that's about it. Have a good day.